Dwi'n meddwl le fan hyn gan Brad Boris. Boris ar creisiad y peniad gan Horan. Pŵl ar cyffyrddiad. Smith. Sean Smith. That's Kieran Smith. Wan, dyma Tony Kay. Tony Kay os e'r gyd i fod. Oes gan Kay! Oedd honna ddim yn bell. O, Lee Byrne. Fydde fod i harbet i. Dwi'n aman fawr. Ramsey. Rutherford, cyffyrddiad hyfryd at Callum Woods. Woods, ydych am yr ediad gan Venables. Venables ddim yn cam sefyll. Chris Venables! Arbediad rhagorol. Mae yna eto i Venables. Venables yn ei gosod i Shannon. A di'r cyfle wedi mynd. Arbediad o'r safon ucha gan Ollie Byrne. Doedd Chris Venables ddim yn cam sefyll. A mi fydd o'n siomedig.
Winners, winners, winners!
Get Gornel yn un ddofn at yr ochr bella. Ydy honna i fewn i gefn y rwyd, ydy'n wir. Ac Anthony Stevens sydd yna i roed y tîm cartre ar y blaen. Hanner awr union o'r gêm wedi chwarae. Fel smonach amddiffynol ar y postyn pella gan Cei Connah. Ac Anthony Stevens oedd yna i roi'r bala ar y blaen. Bel ymlaen, dwi'n to Mendes! A Mendes yn union i'r sgôr! Y cyffyrddiad bach gan Craig Curran drwodd i Paulo Mendes. Ac efo 2 funud o'r hanner cynta'n weddill. Paulo Mendes yn ei gwneud tî'n Bala 1, Cei Connah 1. Harrington. Mendes i fyny amdani. Meiron Edwards. Harrington. Mendes o cyffyrddiad bach taclus at Jamie Mullen. Meiron Edwards yn ei gwylio i Edwards ar peniad. Yr ergyd i gefn y rwyd! Craig Curran! Meiron Edwards yn neidio amdani hi. Y bel yn tasgu allan at Craig Curran. Ac efo 19 o funudau. O'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Yr ymwelwyr ar y blaen. Y Bala 1, Cei Connah 2. Stevens ar peniad. Boris. Mendes ar cyffyrddiad. Meiron Edwards, wan ta Declan Poole. Mae Curran a Mendes yn y cwrt. Chris Owens, wan ta lles gyda fe gael ei greisiad i fewn un ddofn at yr ochr belled. Dych Mendes! Ail i Paulo Mendes! Y drydedd i Cei Connah. O, croesiad campus gan Chris Owens. A siawns fod y deiliaid drwodd i'r rownd derfynol bellach. 1 munud ar 20 o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Y Bala 1, Cei Connah tair. Owens. Mendes. Curran. Cei. Wan ta Meiron Edwards. Wan ta Paulo Mendes. Mendes ar hat-trick. Mendes. Sgwario'r bel a Jamie Mullen. Mullen. Os a bedwaredd oes yn wir. O, na chi ergyd. Gan Jamie Mullen. Dim gobaith o gwbl i Alex Ramsey. Mae'n bedwaredd ei Cei Connah. 26 munud o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Sy'n mamiaeth o gwbl bellach pwy sy'n drwodd i'r ffeinal. Y Bala 1. Cei Connah 4. Williams. Wan ta Jamie Insel. Os o 5 i rwbio halan i'r brew. Insel, o, feddyliau bod ti'n 5. Oh, Jamie Insel, cyfle ei raid. Heibio'r postyn. Craig, many congratulations through to the final.
Thank you. Yeah, it's what we're set out to do. We'll come here tonight to get to a final, and every team, every player, every member of staff, every supporter wants to get to finals. And we're very fortunate as a club. We've been in a lot of finals lately, and I've had a lot of cup finals, so we are delighted as a club and as a team to get into another cup final.
And your first as Connah's key manager?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, hopefully first of many. You've got to give credit to the boys 100% tonight. We've all seen how tricky it is. We come here and there's a layer of snow stroke hail on the pitch up until the last 10 minutes of the game. The wind's swirling, it's raining, it's a really tricky conditions to play in, and the players were fantastic. 100% it's down to them tonight.
I thought we dominated the first half really in terms, there wasn't many chances in it, but I think we bossed it. And then second half just back to normal with a woeful defending. And goals change games, and the second one goes in and it's poor defending again.
Similar situation to the league match here?
Yeah, I'd say so. Yeah, just the way we're giving goals. You know, a few harsh words in there again. So, you know, we'll get it right. But got a bit of a wobble at the moment, a bump in the road, and we'll be back on track.
Na, oedd yn anodd, anodd I chwarae, ond unrhyw gêm, ti'n just gorau chwarae i'r conditions a nath ni ymdopi yn well, dwi'n meddwl.
Met Caerdydd neu Bari yn y ffinal?
Dim bwys, nhw'n ni cymryd rhywun ar un diwrnod, da ni'n gallu curo unrhyw tîm, so dim bwys gen i fi.